This is a data interpretation problem, and if you are the aspirants of the NTA UGC NET for the paper 1, this is a very important topic. Please pay a little bit attention to understand this. Study the following table and answer questions based on it. Expenditures of a company in lakhs rupees per annum for the given years. See, this is the year 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, and this is the salary, this is the fuel and transport, this is bonus, this is interest on loans, this is taxes. Now come to the direct question. What is the average amount of interest per year which the company had to pay during the period? The four options given over there, A, B, C, D. That is 32.43 lakhs, 33.72 lakhs, 34.18 lakhs, 36.66 lakhs. So average interest. So see the interest on loans 23.4 over the different years. This is the picture of the interest on loans. What you need to do, you have to just add all the interest on loan figures, that is 23.4 plus 32.5 plus 41.6 plus 36.4 plus 49.4 divided by 5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over the 5 different years. Just make the summation, that is total divided by 5, you will get the average. This is such a easy problem. Okay, come to the next question. The total amount of bonus paid by the company during the given period is approximately what percent of the total amount of salary paid during the period? So total the bonus paid divided by salary paid. So total bonus paid, that is 3.00 plus 2.52 plus 3.84 plus 3.68 plus 3.96. This is the total bonus paid. Total salary paid, that is 288 plus 342 plus 324 plus 336 plus 420. See, in the upper part we have to write the total bonus paid, in the lower part we have to write the total salary paid into 100. That comes to approximately 1%. So option C will be the answer. So if you practice a little bit, I think that you will get the 5 questions, that is the on the data interpretation, and you will get the 10 marks. This is very easy. Come to the question number 3. Total expenditure on all the items in 1998 was approximately what percent of the total expenditure in 2002? So what you need to do, total expenditure in the year 1998. 1998 total expenditure, this is the total expenditure in 1998, that is 288 plus 98 plus 3 plus 23.4 plus 83 divided total expenditure of the year 2002, that is 420 plus 142 plus 3.96 plus 49.4 plus 98 into 100, that comes to approximately 69.45%. So that is 69%, that is option number C will be the answer. Come to the next question. Total expenditure of the company over these items during the year 2000. So this is the picture 2000, that is 324 plus 101 plus 3.84 plus 41.6 plus 74. This is the total expenditure, that is the 444.44 lakhs. That is option number A will be the answer. Okay, here I am changing the rupee sign. I am changing the rupee sign. Okay, come to the next question. the ratio between total expenditure on taxes for all the years and the total expenditure. See, the ratio between total expenditure on taxes for all the years and the total expenditure on the fuel and transport for all the years respectively is approximately. So total expenditure on taxes 83 plus 108 plus 74 plus 88 plus 98 divided by the expenditure on fuel and transport, that is 98 plus 112 plus 101 plus 133 plus 142. Just make the ratio, it will come that 10:13. So option number B will be the answer. So this is such a easy data interpretation problem. I have taken this problem from the previous year's question. Okay, thanks for watching.